What's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Now if you follow us on social media, you've probably seen already that we've been and bought another car, but we're not actually doing that in this video. I'm just giving this a quick wash now so I can have a proper look at it and evaluate what sort of damage is on it. But in this week's video we're going to be tackling the front of the Audi S5. We're going to get that crash bar built up, we're going to get that intercooler mounted, get it all welded up and hopefully painted. But this, I'm going to give this a quick clean up now. Let me show you what it looks like. So we'll have a wee quick look. I'm not going to go too in depth into it because it's probably going to have its own video, but it is a little disgusting, Nissan Note. And if we had smell-o-vision right now, you would know why I'm sitting with all the doors open. This thing smells like an old ashtray. I think this has had in excess of 50,000 cigarettes smoked in it. It's even fag ash around here as well. But yeah, it's pretty disgusting at the moment, and the wheels definitely need done. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do just now. I'm going to quickly wash it and then make a list, and then we're going to get stuck into the old Audi and get the crash bar and everything welded up. Right guys, you're stuck with me in selfie mode because Charlie's back at school and he's not back yet, so yeah, selfie mode and time lapse for the minute, but don't worry, I'll be back shortly. I've got the Nissan Note all washed up, you'll see that in the next video. It's sitting with the windows open trying to get some of the fabricate smell off it. But the plan for this video, we're going to get this front mount intercooler done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove this crash bar, clear out all the plastics. I'm going to get the box section steel that I've got. Now we're going to do it a bit like a drift car. We're going to build up a frame that the intercooler can mount into. That's my plan anyway. So we'll clear out some of these pipes, plastics, make sure we've got plenty of room for the 90-degree bends going up into the engine bay. We'll test fit the bumper, but for now I'm going to throw you on time lapse quickly just to get this lot stripped off, clear some space, and then we'll cut back in and tell you what the plan is. Guys, I'm just putting a wee stop to the time lapse here because Charlie's just got back from school and we've just had a delivery for the UPS man, and it looks like it's a big turbo for Sweden. So let's get stuck into it and have a wee look. Look at the size of this box.
I know, the box is huge.
This has been a long time coming. Invoice address. Oh.
Jeez. Look at the size of it. It's huge.
Look at that.
Jeez.
Oh, she's a big spoolie boy. We need to clock the turbo around a bit.
Yeah.
Set it all up.
Put it where it's going to go. All over. Come on.
Put it where it's going to go.
Maybe. It's huge.
Somewhere there. Somewhere about there, I think. Obviously with that pointing down the way.
This is going to be fast.
It's going to be a super tight fit. It's so big.
Oh, it's huge, eh?
I'm just wondering if we should have went down his eyes.
The bigger the better, Dad.
That's a beast. Right guys, that's the excitement of unboxing that over. I actually want to get this top bar mounted today at least, because then I can do the bottom bar tomorrow. So I'm going to chuck it on time lapse quickly, finish this off, make sure my idea works, and then I'll take you through what my thinking was, how I done it, and if it's going to work or not. So another 10-20 seconds on time lapse and then I'll be back. Guys, sorry for leaving you on time lapse there. As you can see, we've test fitted the bumper. I'm not going to clip it fully on, but we're half a centimetre away. I know that's going to push on there just fine. Charlie's the same on his side, and the intercooler bracket is in there nicely. Now it is only tack weld at the moment, so we'll need to take it off and weld the full thing. So let's pull the bumper off and we'll have a wee look at it. So there we go guys. Now, don't be laughing at my welds, because I have only got, for the MIG side yet, we've only got a flux welder. We don't have a gas MIG. So, they're strong enough, it just makes a mess and they take a bit more cleaning up. But we've tacked it together. This bit here still to be cut off. So this bolts onto the original crash support here, comes across and holds the intercooler. And then what we're going to do is bring one off this bottom mount as well to come across the bottom and hold the bottom of the intercooler. But that's the first bit done. It's in there, we know it fits, it's no fouling on the bumper. So yeah, we know we're all good. It's starting to come together. But for now, it's my 40th birthday this week, so we're going to head out, grab a curry and finish this off in the morning. Guys, that curry was amazing. If you're in the area and you're anywhere near Carluke, head up to Tal. It's absolutely fantastic. It's definitely one of the best curries in the area. Before I get stuck back into the front of this S5, I want to give a massive thank you to one of our subscribers, Gary. He sent us through a very generous gift down to AUTOPARTS in Larkhall. He actually sent me a nice Amazon voucher for my birthday, and he's even sent another Amazon voucher for us to include in the giveaway when we hit 3,000 subscribers. So if you don't already know, when we hit 3,000 subscribers, we're going to have a live, we're going to have a bit of a giveaway, and
bit of a Q&A.
A bit of a Q&A session, yeah, where you can ask whatever questions you want and dig deep into Charlie's personal life. But we're also going to have a bit of a giveaway, and I've got a wee something up my sleeve at the moment. I'm in talks with another company, so we might be getting away nice wee tool. I'm not going to say too much now, just in case it doesn't happen. But I think we'll also include a couple of home built t-shirts as well. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys, because we will be going live when we hit 3,000 subscribers. We'll probably have a midweek live, and we'll give away loads of stuff and answer loads of questions. So before I rabbit on anymore, let's get stuck into this S5. As you seen yesterday, I done the top bar for the crash bar holding the intercooler. Now it's time to do the bottom half yet. So let's get stuck in. Right guys, that's me got the bottom tacked up. I've got a couple of tacks on there. This one actually runs behind the intercooler so that we've got space for the 90-degree pipes to come off and go up towards the engine. So yeah, it's just a case of trimming that end off, taking all this apart, getting it all fully welded up, clean it all up, because obviously using gasless MIG is quite a messy weld. It puts a load of spatter everywhere. It's still just as strong as a normal weld, it's just not as tidy, so it does take a bit more cleaning up. So I'm going to rip this off, get it all cleaned up, seam weld everything up, and then we'll get it painted and refitted. So I'll pop you on time lapse. I know you've had a bit of time lapse in this video, but this is going to take quite a bit of welding, so we'll get it stripped and get it welded. Right, that's these bars cleaned up. I'm not going to clean them up to perfection. I'm just getting some of the spatter off them, because they're going to be tucked in behind the bumper. You're not really going to see them. I've actually ran out of edge primer, so Charlie's just putting a wee coat of Q-Rust on them now. Hopefully that'll help. And then we are going to paint them black. I've got the black paint through there, but I want to do them at the same time as these wheels so that I can lacquer everything at the same time. You'll see Charlie do these wheels in another video, they look awesome. But yeah, the top one's done. Charlie's just finishing off the bottom one now. But that's unfortunately going to be it for this video because we've run out of time. I'm going to end the video here, go and get it edited, go and get it uploaded. Thanks again for watching, guys. Remember, if you find any value in these videos, please hit the like button down below. Make sure you're subscribed because when we hit 3,000 subscribers, we're having a massive giveaway. And yeah, thank you, we really appreciate the support, and we'll see you next time.